President William Ruto asyokethisye va Kenya kuma Amerika ivindani uneenan'ya yiulu wa kwongela vinda yake kwikala kivilani uendeeye kwikinyiia kila muthenya. Kyama cha UDA kwi umunthi ni kikyevathulana na Wendekethyo wa seneta wa kaunti ya Nandi Samson Cherargei kana President aile kwikala kivilani Myaka muonza kwa kila tamu vala chaweta wase wa President ni umwe ula ni kana vayena ivango ya kuvuthisya miao na katiba ona vanini. Ngalikoni yake Cherargei ni wetetea na kuasya kana kila mundu ena uthasyo wa kumya mawoni make mbe wa nzama ya uneenan'ya wa vamwe kati wa serikali na ulei bipartisan talks. Mwandiki wa mauvo Benjamin Myaka ni wangu vingwa vilingo wa mauvo na ilivote.
His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya.
Uneenan'ya yiulu wa Myaka ya President kivilani ulona asyukiwe weekendi embetu ni uendeeye kukwata mwaki. Wendekethyo wa seneta wa kaunti ya Nandi Samson Cherargei kwanza meoneenan'ya ya NDC kana President aile kala kivilani tamu ni ile sya myaka muonza kila umwe umunthi uituma chama cha President cha UDA na ila nocho chama cha seneta ukiyumilia na kuthesya nzeve. Kuleana na mwandiki munene wa chama cha UDA Cleophas Malala ni kana Wendekethyo wa seneta wa Nandi ti woni wa chama kana wa Musumbi na kana President William Ruto ni wayekithitwo kusuvia na kuatia imenge sionthe sya katiba kivo kila cha myaka 5 kivilani ta Musumbi na kwou uneenan'ya wone muvite ni vinda.
The party has stated its opposition and it is correct because I don't hold any position within the party. So the party has a way of communicating and I'm just bringing an opinion. And that is why I was saying, let us not criminalize anybody's opinion.
Seneta Cherargei ayithisya nzeve yiulu wa Wendekethyo wonu wathingila kana vena myaka ili ithela mana Musumbi ate kite kindu. Mwaka wambe wa serikali na ulotumika ni President kuvanga na kusovya serikali impya. Na mwakani wa muthia tuelekelo nyuvanini impya ulona maovisa ma serikali methia wa maimantha kunyuva ingi.
That in 5 years, this country is in campaign mode. 1 year is lost during that preceding an election because of campaign. Immediately after election, we lose 1 year through the litigation process and formation of cabinet, settling down of government. So in total, you lose 2 years in 5 years, which only reduces 3 years for government to work. I think we would be expecting the miracles that happened 2,000 years ago of Jesus Christ for somebody to transform the country within 3 years.
Kuleana na Cherargei ni kana kila mwene nthi hena uthasyo wa kusukumisya kwalilo kwa katiba na vaingwa kivenge nthini wa katiba kiteza kwikiwa waliuku. Ndongo ikauta sya chama cha UDA evo commissioner zamani ya uthukumu wa mbunge PSC Johnson Duya Muthama ni wathingilela katiba kao yukaisa kwitikilia President kuvitu cha myaka 10 kivilani na kwa uneenan'ya uu ni muku nthini wa mwambio waguo.
To the critics, let's meet in the contest because our constitution envisages amendment of the constitution at any given time so long as the threshold is met under the provisions of Article 256 and 257 through popular initiative.
Vilingo wa mauvo kumava musino ilovi nye nito Benjamin Myaka.